Welcome to this tutorial on setting up EveryDollar zero-based budgeting. EveryDollar is a free budgeting tool that helps you manage your finances by allocating every dollar towards a specific expense or savings goal. Zero-based budgeting is a method where you start from a zero balance and assign every dollar to a particular category, ensuring that your income minus your expenses equals zero. To get started, sign up for an EveryDollar account and connect your bank accounts to track your income and expenses. Next, identify your income sources, including your salary, investments, and any side hustles. EveryDollar will then ask you to set up your budget categories, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. Assign a dollar amount to each category based on your financial goals and priorities. For example, if you earn $4,000 per month, you may allocate $1,500 towards housing, $500 towards transportation, and $500 towards food. Make sure to include a category for savings and emergency funds to build a safety net. EveryDollar also allows you to set up fund goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. You can allocate a specific amount towards each goal and track your progress over time. It is essential to regularly review and adjust your budget to ensure you are on track to meet your financial objectives. A key concept in zero-based budgeting is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. This rule serves as a guideline to help you allocate your income effectively. To illustrate this concept, let's consider an example. Suppose you earn $4,000 per month. You would allocate $2,000 towards necessary expenses, $1,200 towards discretionary spending, and $800 towards saving and debt repayment. By following this rule, you can ensure that you are prioritizing your essential expenses while also building savings and paying off debt. Best practices for using EveryDollar include regularly tracking your expenses, adjusting your budget as needed, and avoiding impulse purchases. It is also essential to communicate with your partner or family members about your budget and financial goals to ensure everyone is on the same page. In conclusion, setting up EveryDollar zero-based budgeting is a straightforward process that helps you manage your finances effectively. By allocating every dollar towards a specific expense or savings goal, you can achieve financial stability and reach your long-term objectives. Remember to regularly review and adjust your budget, and don't hesitate to seek help if you need assistance with managing your finances.